Today we're testing out some solar spotlights from Chasikeo. They're really versatile. They have a solar panel on top, a button on the bottom, as well as a mounting bracket, and a spot to place a stake so you can stick it in the ground. So I sat them out to charge in the sun and waited for sunset. Then when it's dark out, they automatically turn on. They have 3 different types of solar spotlights: RGB, soft white, and warm white. So make sure to pick the type that you want before purchasing. We can also use the button on the bottom to adjust the brightness on the white lights. You can change it 3 different levels, or change the color of the RGB light. It lets you cycle through all the colors and pick the exact shade that you want. There's some nice looking lights, so I screwed one of the warm lights above the gate of our chicken coop, as well as over the door to our barn. I also put lights in the dark spots of our yard. This way we can see at night. I can easily see where I'm walking, have eyes on the yard, as well as the chicken coop. It's bright enough that I can even see if something's trying to get in from inside the house. I also put the RGB ones around our bird corner. The little pops of color look really cool, and I think it spices up our backyard quite a bit. They also have an 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, so when it gets a full charge from the sun, they last long into the night. So far, I really like these. So if you're looking for some spotlights and you don't want to have to wire them, these solar spotlights might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go enjoy our nicely lit backyard. See ya.